Chukwueze's moved. Chukwueze! And Chukwueze puts it away at the second attempt. It was a brilliant pass from Tijani Reinders. Now Tammy Abraham back to Rafael Leao. Rafael Leao falls to Reinders. He can do nothing wrong at the moment, Tijani Reinders. He is so good this season. Terracciano rolls it into Abraham. Chukwueze, and that's 3. It's raining goals at San Siro. Loftus-Cheek has found Rafael Leao. First time! Oh, that is absolutely wonderful play. Milan's individual talent is shining through tonight. Christian Pulisic, dinked that one in. Oh, it's come off the post. Tomori misses. Calabria scores. Davide Calabria with his first of the season. Bautista skipped away from one challenge. Mulattieri has squeezed it beneath Lorenzo Toriani. Missing, in fact, arguably their starting front four attacking players as Okafor has gone through, and Tammy Abraham maybe, and yes. His last 2 goals came away from home. Tammy Abraham record their biggest ever win over Sassuolo to rubber stamp their ambitions in the Coppa Italia Frecciarossa.